Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are moving from Sitamarhi, Bihar, India to Janakpur, Nepal. So friends, we are going to cross the border, and this is the India-Nepal border, Bargania border. So we are going to cross this. So friends, we have reached Janakpur Dham, and this is the palace of Goddess Sita, and we have just reached here.
No secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets, no secrets. You say it's hard to do just what I'm thinking. You think it.
Friends, so this is the temple. I'm inside the temple right now. This is the palace of Goddess Sita. So she was born and brought up in this palace, and as you can see, this is mesmerizing. The colors and the beautiful design, the architecture, it's all amazing. Beautiful. So friends, will return to the temple once again, but before that we decided to explore the city a bit. So this is the Bao, and this is the Badbatani Mall in Birganj, located in Birganj. So enjoy this site. So here we got down a bit and wanted to take some selfies here. So this is the Dhanush Dwar in Birganj, Nepal. So after some fun and frolic on the road, we came here to attend the Ganga Aarti. So this place is called Ganga Sagar, and there is a lake here, a pond rather. So we enjoyed the beautiful scenario in this area. As you can see, the lights and the beauty of this place. So it was really enjoyable. Friends, as promised, we return back to this temple to enjoy the serene and the calming effect of this temple on us. And if you can hear it, a soulful music is going on, and here the singers from Vrindavan, they have arrived and they are singing, and they have been observing and carrying out a yajna for 9 days. So today was the Purnahuti of that yajna, and we were lucky enough, blessed to be present in this uh, temple on the day when it was conducted, and it was the Purnahuti day of that yajna. So I would say we were really lucky to have experienced this amazing beauty of this place. So let's enjoy it. It was a really amazing experience, and I really advise you that you should come visit the Janakpur Dham and just be there with open mind, and just you have to be open minded to feel this magic of devotion that I experienced here. It was my first time I really experienced a kind of submersive devotion. As you can see, these women are dancing and the singer. I really enjoyed the festivities and the bhakti of this place. And we also played Holi, as you can see. Amazing experience in Janakpur Dham. So friends, we spent the night in Janakpur, and there was a hotel named Hotel Vivan. So we spent the night there, and the hotel is good for its price, very reasonable, and a very comfortable stay if you want to just spend some reasonable amount of money. So again, it was time to visit Dhanusha Dham, and we have reached Dhanusha Dham here. So as you can see, this is Hi Vanna. So friends, this is the temple, and so here one of the parts of the Dhanush that was broken by Ram, that part is kept here, and this is that part. And according to the legend, it's growing every year. So this is the Dhanush, and it has been kept as it is. The government has not tried to modify the temple, or the government has not tried to modernize this place, because for the obvious reason of preserving its natural beauty. So this is the Dhanush. Renuka Dham, and this is the Dhanush that was broken by Ram, Sri Ram. This is the Dhanush of Dadichi, Parshuram's Dhanush,
Yeah.
made from the bone of Dadichi, I think. huh?
Yeah, exactly.
So more about it we will learn from Babaji.
Yes.
And let us ask him, and he is going to tell us about
All
the
history,
history of
yeah.
this temple and the Dhanush.
Dhanush is there, right? Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
So we will now be learn from this Babaji about the story.
जी बाबा।
लो सुनो। ये क्या है कि विष्णु पुराण के अनुसार इनको महर्षि दधीची, सत्ययुग में शंकर भगवान ने त्रिपुरासुर संग्राम के लिए महर्षि दधीची के शरीर दान मांगे। जिंदा शरीर पर नमक चढ़वाए, जिंदा शरीर को गाय से चटवाए और उन्हीं की अस्थियां से धनुष बना, पिनाक धनुष।
जी।
और वही धनु से शिवजी त्रिपुरासुर राक्षस को मारे। इसके बाद वो धनु परशुराम को दिए, परशुराम ने जनक महाराज को दिया था।
जी।
अब रामायण वर्णन कर रहा है कि सीता उत्पन्न हुई, सीतामढ़ी पुनौरा
जी जी जी। हाँ।
तो लाए
सुने,
अपने
yes.
दरबार।
हाँ।
Yes.
पालते पोसते सीता 7 वर्ष की थी तो उनकी माँ सुनैना बोली कि जा धनुष को सेवा करो। तो सीता गई तो धनुष को बाएं हाथ से उठा ली, दाहिने हाथ से लीप पोत करके रख दी।
अच्छा।
अब यही दृश्य देख के जनक ने क्या किए कि धनुष यज्ञ रचा दिए। तो धनुष यज्ञ रची जनकपुर, रंगभूमि जब सिय पर उधारी, वहाँ तोड़ा वहीं प्रभुदोई चाप खंड मही डारे।
जी।
3 टुकड़ा हुआ, दाहिना वाला भाग गया आकाश, रामेश्वरम धनुष कोटि।
जी।
और बाया गया पाताल, जनकपुर धनु सागर। राम मंदिर के पास एक बड़ा तालाब है, और यहाँ हुआ बीच वाला टुकड़ा, तही छन राम मध्य धनु तोड़ा, बीच का टुकड़ा।
अच्छा।
ये गठिया ही पूरा धनुषी पर है, इनको भी 550 साल से ऊपर बता रहा है। अब ये धनुष बढ़ रहा है, लंबाई बढ़ता जा रहा है पूरब की, वो अभी नया निकल रहा है वहाँ।
हाँ जी।
और यहाँ ये कुंड है पाताल गंगा।
हाँ।
यही पानी हमारे यहाँ के लिए एक सूचक है, इसी से आंकड़ा होता है इस बार बारिश कैसी है, फसल कैसा है।
ओके।
ये पानी के लेवल पे,
जी।
ये लेवल जितना ऊपर रहे उतना अच्छा है, जितने नीचे गए उतना अशुभ।
अभी लेवल से क्या पता चल रहा
अभी
है?
का लेवल आंकड़ा नहीं होता, आषाढ़ श्रावण भादो।
अच्छा। अच्छा। श्रावण भादो।
ऐसे देखने में लगता जैसे रुद्राक्ष हो ना,
जी जी जी
उस
बिल्कुल।
रूप में, ना पाथर में आ रहा है ना लोहा में आ रहा है।
जी जी जी।
इसीलिए हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने इसको इस रूप में रखा है कि ज़्यादा कृत्रिम ना हो, जितना हो सके इनको प्राकृतिक ही रखा जाए। यही हुए बोल श्री धनुषा धाम
की जय।
जय।
आया।
हाँ,
जी
हाँ,
बाबा
अब आ
जी,
गया।
थैंक यू बाबा
आया
जी।
है।
So friends, after the Dhanusha Dham visit, we have come to Parshuram Talab. So this is the Talab of Parshuram, and this is a very big Shivaling, a beautiful Shivaling here. So friends, after the visit of Dhanusha Dham, we have come to this mall, the Badbatani Mall. So we saw it in the night and we decided to go inside this mall. After the mall, we came to visit this Vivah Mandap of Sita and Ram, and this is the last stop for this tour. And as you can see, this is the Vivah Mandap, beautifully decorated, and many people come here to really get married. Very amazing experience of visiting Nepal. Yes friends, one important thing I want to tell you. You can use Indian currency in Janakpur. So please feel free to visit Janakpur. It is really amazing place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.